Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. My dear parents, students, in the series of episodes, 2020 NEET exam, RMJ students நிறைய மார்க் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. அவங்க ஒவ்வொருத்தரையும் சந்திச்சு அவங்க எப்படி மார்க் வாங்கினாங்க, அவங்களுடைய வழிமுறை என்ன, ஆங்கிலத்தில் ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி என்று ஒரு வார்த்தை உண்டு, அவங்களுடைய அப்ரோச் என்னமாக இருந்தது என்று கேட்கிறோம். இந்த அப்ரோச்ல இந்த வருஷம் நீட் எக்ஸாம் எழுதக்கூடிய மாணவர்களுக்கு பயனுள்ளதாக இருக்கும் நினைக்கிறேன். நாம் இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போறது ரோகேஸ்வர் 502 மார்க்ஸ் வாங்கினாரு. நல்ல கவர்மெண்ட் காலேஜில் அவருக்கு ஃப்ரீ சீட் கிடைக்கும். அவர் கேட்டேன் என்ன வித்தியாசம் போன வருஷத்துக்கு இந்த வருஷத்துக்கும் அப்படின்னா 2-3 ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி கிளீனா சொல்றாரு. ஒன்னு, he started liking science. அவர் சொல்றாரு 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் வரையில எனக்கு மேத்ஸ்ல தான் எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஆர்வம் இருந்தது. அதுக்கு காரணம் எங்க மேத்ஸ் டீச்சரு. ஆனா 8th நான் ஒரு சயின்ஸ் ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணேன். எங்க சயின்ஸ் டீச்சர் அது ரொம்ப ஆர்வமா கேட்டாங்க. அந்த டைம்ல எனக்கு சயின்ஸ்ல ஆர்வம் வந்துடுச்சு. அதனால ஐ டுக் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இன் பிசிக்ஸ் அண்ட் பயாலஜி. தட்ஸ் ஒன் பாயிண்ட். செகண்ட் ஒன், அவர் சொல்றாரு நான் போன வருஷம் 350 340 தான் வாங்கினேன். என்ன காரணம் யோசனை பண்ணேன். நான் நிறைய கொஸ்டின் தெரியல, எனக்கு சரியா படிக்கல. இந்த வருஷம் அதை நான் ரெக்டிஃபை பண்ணிட்டேன், வைடா படிச்சேன். கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 50-60 MCQs நான் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணேன். ரெண்டாவது காரணம் என்ன சொல்றாரு அவரு, போன வருஷம் எனக்கு நிறைய நெகட்டிவ் மார்க்ஸ் வந்துடுச்சு, மைனஸ் மார்க்கு. இந்த வருஷம் அதை குறைச்சிட்டேன். ஸோ நான் நிறைய படித்தேன், நிறைய கொஸ்டின் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருந்தது, அதனால மார்க் வந்தது. குறைவான நெகட்டிவ் மார்க்ஸ் வந்தது, அதனால எனக்கு ஐ வாஸ் ஏபிள் டு இம்ப்ரூவ் அப்படின்றாரு. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ ஹி சேஸ் கண்டிப்பா என்சிஆர்டி புக் படிக்கணும், அதில் லைன் பை லைன் படிக்கணும். ரெண்டாவது, MCQ எத்தனை புக்ஸ் கிடைக்குதோ அத்தனை சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்றாரு. முக்கியமா ஒரு கேள்வி கேட்டேன், இந்த நீட் எக்ஸாம் உங்களுக்கு பயனுள்ளதாக இருந்ததா? கண்டிப்பா இருந்தது சார். இந்த என்னுடைய +2 கட் ஆஃப் வச்சு கண்டிப்பா எனக்கு மெடிக்கல் கிடைக்காது. இந்த நீட் கட் ஆஃப் பெட்டரா இருக்கிறதுனால நல்ல ஒரு கவர்மெண்ட் காலேஜ்ல எனக்கு கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்றாரு. இன்னொரு முக்கியமான பாயிண்ட் சொல்றாரு, எங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ் ரொம்ப எங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்க. எங்க அப்பா எங்க அம்மா எனக்கு கஷ்டப்பட்டு படிக்க வச்சாங்க. உங்க ஸ்கூல்ல நான் 1ஆம் கிளாஸ்லேருந்து 12ஆம் கிளாஸ் வரைக்கும் நான் படித்து நான் PD கிளாஸ் பயனுள்ளதாக இருந்தது. அது மட்டும் இல்லை, எங்க அப்பா அம்மா என்னை ப்ரெஷரைஸே பண்ணல. இந்த எக்ஸாம்ல மார்க் வாங்காட்டா பரவாயில்லடா அப்படின்னாங்க. எதனா ஒரு மார்க் டெஸ்ட்ல குறைவா வாங்கினா கூட அப்பாவும் அம்மாவை பரவாயில்ல, கவலைப்படாத, மறுபடியும் நல்லா படி அப்படி என்கரேஜ் பண்ணாங்க. ஸோ இது போன்று முக்கியமான கருத்துக்களை நம்ம மாணவர்கள் பகிர்ந்து கொள்கிறார்கள். இந்த காணொலியை நீங்களும் பாருங்க. உங்களுடைய குழந்தைகள் வீட்டில் இருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, 8th 9th 10th எல்லாம் படிக்கலாம், +1 படிக்கலாம், இல்லை +2 இந்த வருஷம் படிக்கலாம். அவங்களோட உட்கார்ந்து பாருங்க. கண்டிப்பாக இந்த காணொலி உங்களுக்கு பயனுள்ளதாக இருக்கும் நினைக்கிறேன். ஜாக்கிரதையா இருங்க, சோஷியல் டிஸ்டன்சிங் பண்ணுங்க, ரைட்? ரொம்ப ரிஸ்க் எடுக்காதீங்க. ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். ஹாப்பி தீபாவளி டு ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ. ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். ரோகேஸ்வர், congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You have scored 502 marks. Very good performance, Rokeshwar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You know why? This year NEET was so tough. I do not know how easy was the question, but இந்த வருஷம் நீங்க எல்லாம் பாஸ் பண்ணதுன்றது, இவ்வளவு மார்க் வாங்கினது 30% நீங்க ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். You know why? Uncertainty. இல்ல கொரோனா, COVID-19, நீட் நடக்குமா நடக்காதா, ஒருவேளை கேன்சல் பண்ணிடுவாங்களா, கடைசி நிமிஷம் வரையில டென்ஷன். ஆல்சோ டைரக்ட் கிளாஸ் கிடையாது, அண்ட் ஆல்சோ டைரக்ட் கிளாஸ் கிடையாது, ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ், கடைசி நிமிஷம் கேள்வி கேட்டு கிளாரிஃபிகேஷன் கூட உங்களுக்கு டைம் கிடையாது இல்லையா?
Yes, sir. Till the last time there was a case in the court for the police. Cancel the case.
I know. So congratulations once again. I'm sure your parents will be very, very proud of you. We are all very proud. Your teachers are proud of you. Good. Tell me, what was your approach? How much you scored in the first attempt?
Sir, I scored 336, sir, in the first attempt.
336. Very good. That's a substantial improvement, right? Tell me, what was your approach? What was your approach? How did you get this good mark?
I just concentrated on physics and chemistry more than biology, sir, because it was the toughest subject to score in the last exam. I just scored minimum in those two subjects, so I concentrated more in that, sir. Biology too, it was this year. It was very twisted for me. I can't score above 300, sir. I just scored below 300 in that.
Okay.
Very twisted for me.
It
Too
was
many
little
mistakes too.
twisted. Okay, good,
Yes.
good. What was your working hours like, during this 1 year you were preparing seriously full time? What's your working hours? What time you went to bed? What time you got up?
I went to bed. I went to bed at 12 o'clock, sir.
Uh,
12 o'clock or 1, I went to bed and woke up in the morning at 7 or 6.
Very
In
good.
between that hours, I woke up and I went to the coaching center.
Very good.
And I
Good.
came.
Good. So on a holiday, ஒரு ஒரு கிளாஸுமே இல்லைன்னா எத்தனை மணி நேரம் படிச்ச?
Class ஒரு 12 hours படிப்பேன் சார்.
12 hours per day. Wow, you should be very tired.
அதுக்குள்ள ஒரு 10ல இருந்து ஒரு 12 hours குள்ள படிச்சிருவேன் நான். ஹாலிடே இருந்ததுன்னா மிச்ச நேரம்லாம் ஒரு 4 hours கோச்சிங் சென்டர் போயிட்டு திரும்பி வரது ஒரு 4 hours தான் படிப்பேன் சார்.
So on a working day 4 hours to 5 hours, on a normal on a holiday 10 to 12 hours, and 365 days almost, right? Good. NCERT book படிச்சியா இல்ல வேற ஏதான book? What is your advice?
NCERT is good, sir, but I hope MCQs, attending more MCQs will help. Attempting more mock test will help, sir. NCERT is good, sir.
Okay. How many mock tests you would have done? How many test papers you would have solved?
It would be around 50 to 60, sir.
60. Oh.
In this COVID time alone, it would be 50 to 60. But before that, we went to our coaching center, and Wednesday there will be exams.
Oh, okay.
That I didn't.
Okay. About 60 question papers you solved, right? Okay.
Yes.
Very good. In what way our teachers or your teachers in SRMJV, whether it is physics or chemistry or biology, were they of some help to you?
It was a base for me to understand more about in this 1 year, sir. I already read it there in our school, sir, and I went to 1 year extra coaching, so I learned more things about it. So that was a base for me, sir.
So that gave you a good base. So I can take it. NCERT book reading thoroughly is very important. You should have a good foundation in the school. Then of course coaching center will help you to think. And ஒரு நாளைக்கு 5 மணி நேரம் 4 மணி நேரம், ஹாலிடேஸ்ல 10 மணி நேரம் 12 மணி நேரம். This is your formula. Right.
Yes,
All right. Now when you scored 350 or whatever, what was your state of mind, and what made you to bounce back like this? What is that one mindset which made a difference?
Last year I just attended a few more less questions than I attended only 450, sir. And so 25 more questions have been wrong. So the minus and the questions wrong were being detected, 4 marks and 1 mark detected. That brought me around 350, sir. I didn't expect that those many questions were being wrong last year. And this year was less than that. I attempted more questions this year and I got less negative marking, and I got this marks.
Let me understand. Last year you answered less number of questions, yes, and number 2, your negative marking was more last year. This year you prepared thoroughly, so you answered more number of questions, and you ensured that your negative mark also came down. So this made the difference. That's a wonderful idea. That's a wonderful strategy that you have followed. That's wonderful. And what is that motivation which drove you to do this?
We just spent a year more to this exam, and we should do something that we ensure a seat in the college, in a government college. I thought so. Wasting this year would be a very time waste. So I thought I could secure a seat in this 1 year learning, and I got the seat, sir.
Okay,
I got this mark.
Okay, come again. Last sentence you said something.
Sir, I ensured that I don't waste this year, and I got this mark, sir.
Okay, so this 1 year you found it was so critical. I should not waste this 1 year. If I waste this 1 year, I will not get into a medical college. So you are very, very conscious about this 1 year passing with all your hard work. That is the thing. Okay. You remember we conduct personality development class. Did it in any way help you?
Yes, a state of mind was calm and composed in this class, and it helped me more. So in this 1 year, I was very composed to learn. That helped me. That we would in the PD personality development class, we would be composed in the morning, and that helped me in this 1 year, sir. Being composed and studying a lot.
It gave you peace and harmony. It reduced your tension. That helped you to do that. Wonderful, wonderful. What is your message to your juniors? What they should do?
They should read the base, and they should attend more tests on this. They should completely read the NCERT books and buy books of MCQs and solve it, and previous year question papers and solve it. That would help them more, sir. To incoming needs, it would help them to score above 600, sir. Easily.
Yes. So more number of questions they should know to answer. They should buy MCQ books, right? They should have a strong foundation, right? Solve many number of question papers, right? This is the secret formula you will have to share for your juniors. Tell me, when did you join our school? Which year you joined? Which class you joined?
2007, I joined first standard, sir.
First standard. Oh, 12 years you have walked through that corridors of the school. Okay, good. So you would have been a small little boy, right? Right. So that's wonderful. Sorry, first standard to 12th standard. Which year you started becoming a serious student? Were you always a serious student from standard 1, or which year you woke up?
I was not a strong student till I came to an 8th standard, sir.
Okay.
I was more interested in mathematics. I started working on mathematics. I would score about, in 45 marks exam, I would score about 30 to 35 in every subject, but I would score more in maths. So I was interested in mathematics, and going on, I took interest on science also. And when I was in 9th and 10th, I was so interested, and 11th and 12th, I chose biology group, and I went on to be a doctor, sir.
What made that shift? You were a maths lover. From that to science, what that factor which shifted the gear?
Teachers. I like the teachers. First I was in maths teacher was Radha Miss, and I liked her, and so I read on math. She encouraged me. Moreover, teachers encouraged us in science and maths. I was so interested, and I got 9th and 10th. I was doing a project, and Miss was enthusiastic to know about my project, and she encouraged me more. So I got interest on science.
Who took you? Who took that? Made that shift? The project, and you did that, and she came and talked to you. Who is that?
Bhuvneshwari Miss.
Bhuvneshwari Miss.
Science.
Okay. Yes. See how a teacher can make a difference, you know. And also you are basically interested. Math is also a science. Okay, that made a very big difference. Now tell me, 10th standard irundhe concentrate பண்ணணுமா, 11th concentrate பண்ணணுமா, நீட்டுக்கு இல்ல 12th படிச்சா போருமா?
11th படிச்சு வச்சுக்கணும் சார். படிச்சு வச்சுக்கிட்டோம். 12th வந்து அப்படியே கூடியே படிச்சுட்டு வந்துட்டோம்னா 11th அப்பமா கடைசியில வந்து நம்ம ஒரு advice பண்ண மாதிரி இருக்கும்.
So 11th
easier.
is very important. 11th portion is very, very important. Tell me, do you think NEET has helped you to realize your dream?
Yes, I think yeah, most students are getting more cut off in this school exams, and I would not secure a college in that. I'm an average student in my cutoff would not be above 180. It's
Okay.
below 180 and above 170, I think so, sir. I would not above 180, so I think NEET had helped me a lot.
Okay.
This NEET had helped a lot of people who can pursue a dream of doctor, who scored less in the 12th and 11th and 12th.
Okay. So let me understand. If you had gone by the +2 mark cutoff, you wouldn't have got a medical seat. Because
Yes.
of NEET, you were able to secure a seat in the medical college. And so NEET has helped you. Let us not get into any controversy, but as a person, it helped you. That's what I just wanted to check with you. What did you sacrifice in the last 1 year? Sir, இதெல்லாம் நான் செய்யல, அதனால தான் வந்து, what did you sacrifice? Television, அல்ல chatting with friends, motorbike, அது மாதிரி எதெல்லாம் நீ sacrifice பண்ண?
Daily, I will go to playing, sir. Playing cricket or anything, volleyball, I would go, sir. But in this 1 year, I just controlled myself. I would go in weekends, but not in weekdays, sir.
Very good.
I would go in weekdays, and Saturdays and Sunday, I would go to friends' house or ask them to come to the ground and I would play cricket, sir, with them.
Okay. So 1 year, அதெல்லாம் ஒதுக்கி வச்சுட்டு, you focused as a very serious student. Okay. What is your ambition in life, Rokeshwar?
Ambition, sir. I need to become somewhat stable in my life, and I should enjoy my life, sir, till the end.
Very good. Very good.
Stable.
So you want to stabilize in life. So when you become a doctor, after MBBS, what is that you want to do? You want to stop with MBBS or you want to study further?
I want a MS. I think I should do an MS.
MS. In what branch you want to specialize?
Neuro. MS Neuro, I think so.
Neuroscience you want. I am sure your father and mother helped you a lot. A word about how you got the support from your parents.
Sir, I can't hear, sir.
Your parents' contribution in this, how did they
Yes, sir.
contribute?
They helped me a lot, sir. They would get me to the coaching center. They spend money for my education. These are all sacrificed for me, for my parents. The parents I did to me, sir.
Okay.
They would not scold me, sir. This 1 year I was very free and read. They would not be saying I shall take the book and I will read, sir. They have not pressurized me in this 1 year, sir.
I wanted to ask you that actually. So they supported you, they paid all your fee, they helped you, they dropped you in the coaching center, brought you back, and they were kind to you, they were not pressurizing you. இல்ல எப்ப பாரு படி 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 உனக்கு நீட் எக்ஸாம் இல்லன்னா எல்லாம் போச்சு அப்படி திட்டாங்களா?
அப்படி என்னைக்குமே திட்டுது சார்.
என்னைக்குமே திட்டுறீங்க?
படிப்பா, மார்க் அதிகமா எடு, சீட் கிடைக்கும் பாத்துக்கோ, அது கிடைக்கலனா கூட ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை, அப்படிதான் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க.
That's a very
kind. Yes, sir. It was a kind. In this Corona time also, I was very depressed about this extensions of the dates of the exam. They would come and say to me, "Don't be pressurized. Just attend the mock test. You'll be okay. Whether scoring low in the mock test or high, don't worry about it. Just do the final exam."
So they were with you even when you were scoring low test in the mock test. They said, "Go ahead, no problem. Even if you get a low mark, doesn't matter. Don't lose heart." Right? Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Rokeshwar, we are all very, very proud of you. Right? We look forward to 10 years flying just like that. And then Rokeshwar MS, specialist in neurosurgery. Right? Right? I look forward to all that good news from you, Rokeshwar. We are very, very proud of you. Special congratulations to your parents. All your teachers are very, very proud of you. Please drop into the school whenever. Everything relaxed. Everything is relaxed.
Sir.
Would love to see you in person. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Lokeshwar. I'm very, very happy we met today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.